Welcome to Holidays Around the World. In this video, you will learn about Ramadan. Let's get started. Why do people celebrate Ramadan? Ramadan is a month in the Islamic calendar. In the month of Ramadan, God first revealed the Quran to Muhammad. People should be devoted to God. They should fear God's power. That is the teaching of Ramadan. How do people celebrate Ramadan? People fast from dawn until sunset. They give up eating and drinking everything. They cannot even smoke. After sunset, people eat. People try to give to charity during this time. They also try to practice self-discipline and self-control to do good things. During Ramadan, people hang lights in public places and above streets. You might hear Muslims say Ramadan Mubarak or Ramadan Kareem. When do people celebrate Ramadan? The month of Ramadan is usually in May and June. And here's an extra for you. Most Muslims fast 11 to 16 hours, but it could be 22 hours in places such as Iceland and Norway. Muslims in Australia might only fast for 11 hours. If people do not want to fast for almost an entire day, people can follow the times of sunrise and sunset in Mecca. And you just learned another holiday from around the world. Check out other holidays or just click on one of the links there to get a cool video from Conley's Cool ESL.